You don't have to hustle 24/7 to win at life. Here's how to succeed the lazy way. Being lazy doesn't mean you're unmotivated, it means you're efficient. Lazy people are masters of working smarter, not harder. They focus on what truly matters and cut out the fluff. Think of it like this: why climb a mountain when you can take the elevator? That the secret to lazy success? Let technology do the heavy lifting. Automate your bills, set up recurring grocery deliveries, and use tools like scheduling apps to handle your calendar. The less you have to think about, the more energy you'll have for the things that actually matter. Here's the lazy person's golden rule: 80% of your results come from 20% of your effort. Identify the tasks that actually move the needle and focus on those. For example, if you're a content creator, focus on creating one viral-worthy video instead of 10 mediocre ones. Work less, achieve more. Why do it yourself when you can pay someone else to do it? Outsourcing is the lazy person's superpower. Hire a virtual assistant for admin tasks, a freelancer for creative work, or even a meal prep service to save time. Your time is valuable. Spend it on what you love. Strategic laziness isn't about doing nothing. It's about doing the right things at the right time. Take breaks, recharge, and let your subconscious work on problems while you relax. Remember, success isn't about how busy you are. It's about how effective you are. Lazy? Smart? Why not both? Hit like, subscribe, and let's redefine success together. Thanks for watching. Now go take a nap. You've earned it.